Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for March and it is Birchbox. So this says, we all deserve to feel iconic. So if you're new to Birchbox, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a brief lowdown telling you all about the subscription. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. I'm sure most of you know all this by now, but yeah. So this is Birchbox UK and this is only available in the UK. There are other Birchboxes around the world. The cost of the box is £12.95 and that includes shipping, and inside you'll find 5 beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, anything beauty related basically, and sometimes we get the odd freebie. Now Birchbox has their own online store. You will generally find a lot of minis, sometimes samples in this box, and it's because they want to provide you a treat every month, and if you really love the products then you will go onto their website and purchase the full size. We do sometimes get full sizes in there, but generally no. Generally it's quite small, but that is reflected on the price of the box. Now when you first sign up, you're able to receive 10% off anything off their website. When you sign up for 6 months or more, you're then entitled to 15% off. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. There's usually codes lying around which will entitle you to receive a freebie or money off your first box, so if I can find anything then I'll pop it down below. I do have a refer a friend link which will entitle you, I think it's to have £3 or £5 off your first box. You're welcome to use that if I can't find anything, but I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as links to any limited edition boxes or any offers they have on their website. You'll find it down there as well. Now at the start of the month they bring out an edit, so if you go onto their website and you click on the subscription, you will see a selection of products. So you will receive 5 of those products. Now you will receive 5 of those products. So you might be watching this thinking, I want what Claire's got, but there is a chance that you might not receive the same. If you're not sure about the subscription and you'd rather know what you might be getting, then you can check out what could be in your box on their website. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what I received this month. So inside we get a little leaflet and it tells you everything about the products inside the box. This Women's Month, you're the main character. We want to encourage everyone to create their own definition of success. Remember, you are unique in your own way, so forget about external pressure and be your own icon for a change. First up, we have got a Cosmos Natural, a lemon body cream, Feel Fruit by Feel Free, and there's 50 mils here. And I received one of these in their box not so long ago. In the last year, I got a feeling it wasn't lemon, maybe a blueberry one, but I love lemon. I do love lemon. Oh, I'm rather obsessed with lemon. Oh, that just smells like nice freshly squeezed lemon in sparkling water. I'm actually craving that now. It's in my mind now, I can't get rid of it. That's nice. It's not overpowering, it's quite a subtle lemony scent. This is a mini version. To buy the full size, which I don't know what the size is, costs you £16.50. This skin quenching body butter soothes and hydrates skin without any of that greasy feeling. Its combination of sweet almond oil, aloe vera and olive oil is a recipe sure to leave your skin feeling nourished, firm and regenerated. Moisturising has never felt so good. Got a body moisturiser there. Next we've got a jelly cleanser by Vitamask. This is a Sika green tea, a gentle pH 5.5 cleanser made with green tea and Centella asiatica extract. That's very small writing, I had to squint my eyes there. And there's 30 mils. And this is a mini or a little sample. Full size will cost you £16.99. This jelly textured cleanser exfoliator hybrid is both gentle on the skin and removes build-up without stripping hydration. Its green tea and Centella asiatica formula acts as an anti-inflammatory as well as a hydrating moisturiser. That sounds lovely. So there's that. Next, we've got a keratin Brave New World. No, it's not Brave New World. Brave New Hair shampoo. Instantly smooth and stronger hair with keratin, amino acids, baobab and tamanu. There's 75 mils there. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, it smells like caramel. Salted caramel in particular. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I have had this before. Might be in a Birchbox, I don't know, but I can't remember trying it, so I think I've put it in my little box of beauty things to go away. So I've got another one. I'll have a look. I'll have a look through the box to see. Maybe I've got the conditioner, which would be really good because conditioner and shampoo, ideally I'd prefer. So this is a sample and the full size will cost you £13. Perfect for those dry damaged hair or strands that need some extra love. This deeply conditioning formula instantly strengthens and smooths while boosting elasticity and shine. This is a Bulgarian-born female-founded brand. So we've got the shampoo. Next we got a Queshi Naturals Raspberry Vitamin C Day Cream. And there's 20 mils there. Raspberry and vitamin C. It feels really nice. Yeah, it does feel really, really nice. But it looks the type of cream, I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. There, can you see? It's a type of cream that doesn't absorb into the skin straight away. Can you see it's leaving like a film on my hand? Excuse the blotchiness on my hand. I got a new puppy. She's beautiful. Absolutely stunning little puppy, golden retriever puppy. But my gosh, she's scratched the heck out of me. It does smell of raspberries. So this is a sample or a mini and the full size will cost you £8.50. This moisturising day cream utilises the powerful antioxidant properties of pure vitamin C and raspberry extract to energise and protect the skin from signs of ageing. This combined with green tea and thyme extract to combat imperfections makes this cream the perfect pick-me-up for your skin. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a makeup. This is a Smoothie Stick Lip Crayon in shade Cocoa Butter. I haven't taken all the wrapping off, but this colour looks like it's like, yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's a really nice colour. I love sticks like this, like a crayon, a lipstick crayon, just so much easier to apply. You're not going to see much difference because it's very similar to the shade that I'm wearing, but it feels lovely. This is our only full-size item in the box and it will cost you £7. It says all of the goodness of a smoothie for your lips. This creamy rose lip crayon is full of antioxidant rich almond butter to hydrate lips whilst providing a rich even colour application. So there you go. So those are all my products inside this month's Birchbox. I'll just gather them all up. I've got a lemon body cream. I've got a jelly cleanser. I've got a vitamin C and raspberry day cream. I've got a shampoo. And I've got a lipstick or a lip crayon. I think overall I'm happy with the box. £12.95. I think, yeah, the products are great. But it's not a wow box. Not like, oh my gosh, this is great. You have got to get one. You have got to get one. I don't have those vibes with it this month. But I'd love to hear what you think. Do you subscribe to Birchbox? What did you get in your box? Did you get anything different from me? Or are you wondering whether to subscribe or not? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.